Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to log into the Cajon Valley Union School District Zoom account. To begin, log into Hello ID using your Hello ID credentials. From the Hello ID dashboard, scroll down and click on Zoom. If you already have the Zoom app, open it and click Sign In. In the Sign In screen, click and select Sign In with SSO. In the company domain, type Cajon Valley or click I don't know the company domain. Type your email address, then click Continue. The Zoom meeting screen will open. On the upper right are the options to schedule a meeting, join a meeting, or host a meeting. Click on Help to view more tutorials.